Again, this video is going to be part 2. This is more along the 6th grade line on finding the least common multiple. My previous video introduced what the least common multiple is and when it's used and how it's usually found in 5th grade. 6th grade, we do it a little different. What we do with 6th grade, we actually go back to a previous lesson on greatest common factor. So I'm just going to come to the side and draw the factor trees to show the prime factorization of my numbers. 10 is 2 times 5, 15 is 3 times 5. Okay, we have no repeat of the numbers, so beside 10, I'll just do 2 times 5, 3 times 5. Okay, to find the least common multiple, you want to include every number you see and to its greatest power. All of these are to the first power because there's no repeat, like there's not a 5 times 5 or a 2 times 2. So what you want to do is take every number you see and take the greatest power. Now, if it repeats, we only put it one time. If it repeats from one number to the next other number. Okay, and so we would multiply these. 6 times 5 is 30. We can go back to what we did in the 5th grade lesson, and we found out the least common multiple by finding the multiples was 30. That's the difference between 5th and 6th grade math. We use the exponents in 6th grade, and we use this method. Okay, 18 is going to be, it doesn't matter in the previous video on greatest common factor and prime factorization, doesn't matter which ones you start with, the factors, you're going to get the same answer. Now this is where I'm going to vary. I'm going to do 18 as 2 times 3 to the second power because the 3 is multiplied times itself 2 times. 12, 4 times 3, 4 is 2 times 2, 3 is prime. And keep your time signs because we don't want it to look like that was a 23, it's a 2 times 3. Okay, so I'm going to bring this one. I've written it as 2 times 3 squared. And then this one has 2 2's, so it's 2 squared times 3. Okay, so we have a 2 and a 3 are our two numbers. And take the greatest power you see. This one's just 2, and it's not written, but it's understood to be 2 to the first power, 2 to the second. So we'll have 2 to the second, 3 to the second, and 3. So we're going to square. If we say second power or squared, it's going to be the same thing. 2 squared means 2 times 2. 3 squared means 3 times 3. Your least common multiple is 36. And if we go back and pull the sheet from previous, that's exactly what we got finding it the 5th grade way. Okay, we have these. 12, and I've already got it, 2 squared times 3. 9 is 3 times 3, so it's going to be 3 squared. 18, 2 times 3 squared. Okay, I see a 2 and a 3. The greatest power of 2 that I see among the 3 numbers is 2 squared. The greatest power of 3 is 3 squared. And go back, 2 squared times 3 squared. The least common multiple is 30.